In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create an Instagram story highlights. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. On your profile itself, tap the three lines up in the top right corner to open up this menu. And from the menu, you need to select archive up at the very top. Make sure that you are viewing your stories archive, not your post archive. So select post archive or whatever it might be. Go to story archive and you're going to see every single one of your stories just like so. Tap the three dots up in the top right corner just like so. Hit select stories, right? And choose whatever stories it is that you want to go ahead and select. For example, we could do these Spider-Man ones right here, right? Essentially, go ahead and select those, hit create a highlight, and then of course from here you can edit the cover photo, name the highlight whatever it is, and whenever you're ready, simply go ahead and hit add up in the top left. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.